Consider the following statement regarding the power of President. Option 1. He appoints the Prime Minister and the other minister. Right? He can seek any information relating to proposal for legislation from the Prime Minister. It can be right. Option 3. He decides on questions related to disqualification of members of the Parliament in consultation with the Election Commission. Right. I am going with option number C. But I am marking it half because I think option number 3 is doubtable for me. Question number 41. Consider the following statement regarding the bill passed by state legislature. Statement 1. The President has the power to exercise pocket veto over those bills which have been considered by the state legislature. Right? Option statement 2. Constitution does not make it obligatory for President to give assent to the reconsidered bill of the state legislature. Right. That's why I have to go with option number A because both are explaining each other. Question number 42. In context to Indian polity, consider the following statement regarding the term cabinet. Option 1. It has not mentioned in the original constitution. Right. Option 2. Its power and function are not defined in constitution. Right. I have to go with option number C, but I am marking it half because option 1 can be correct. Question number 43. Consider the following statement with reference to High Court. Option 1. Jurisdiction and power of High Court can be enhanced both by the Parliament and the state legislature. No. Only with. I am not confirm about the answer, but I think state legislature can empower High Court, but it cannot increase the jurisdiction of High Court. Let's mark it wrong. Option number 2. The Parliament can exclude the jurisdiction of High Court from any Union territory. I think this is right, but instead of Parliament, President can be an option, but I am going with option number B. I am marking it very important. Question number 44. With reference to the Council of Ministers, consider the following statement. Option 1. The total number of ministers, including the Chief Minister in Council of Ministers in a state, shall not exceed 20% of the total member of Legislative Assembly of that state. I think this is 15%. I am marking it wrong. Option number 2. The number of ministers, including Chief Minister in a state, shall not be less than 12. I think this is right. I am going with option number B. Let's match the answer with answer key. Question number 40. Answer is B. I have marked it wrong. And because as we know that President decides on questions as to disqualification of member of Parliament in consultation with Election Commission. This is the question which has to be read carefully because it asking for executive power of President and disqualification is legislative power of President. And these two are executive power of President. Question number 41. Answer is A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Question number 42. Answer is C. I have marked it right. Question number 43. Answer is C. I have marked it wrong. Option 1 is correct, as it says that jurisdiction of High Court The decision and power of High Court so far as they are specified in Constitution and cannot be curtailed both by Parliament and state legislature. But in other respect, the jurisdiction and power of High Court can be changed both by Parliament and state legislature. So both Parliament and state legislature cannot curtail in the original jurisdiction mentioned in the Constitution of High Court, but can enrich or enhance it. Second one, Article 230 of the Indian Constitution, Parliament may by law extend the jurisdiction of High Court to or exclude the jurisdiction of High Court from any union territory. So the Parliament has executive power or executive authority to both extend and exclude the jurisdiction of High Court to or from any union territory. That's why option number 2 is right, and answer is C. Question number 44. Council of Minister. Answer is B. This is right, and actually it is 15% and should not be less than 12. It is by 91st Constitutional Amendment Act 2003.